Welcome to TheAccountSolutions. In this training tutorials, I'll be showing you how to use IP expiring date tracker. These are for legal practitioners that manages trademarks of their clients, and to enable you look at the trademarks and be able to find out when they are due for renewal. Now let's assume you keep this chart on Microsoft Word. Before now, you track the expiring date of these trademarks in Microsoft chart by recording the trademarks, the owners, the class, application date, expiring date, and the status. Now before now, you just if you have up to 200 or 300 trademarks to monitor, you have to scroll down one by one to look at the dates they will expire. But with this template I'm going to show you, you don't have to do all that. The template check the expiring date for you, notifies you on when that's due for renewal. So you don't need to type this thing again on Microsoft Excel. Just come here, copy or highlight all this information here down to the last trademark, excluding the headers. Right click and copy. Now go to the template I'm going to show you now and click enter new IP. Click there. Exactly what you have on Microsoft Word, same thing you have on the Excel. Just come here, right click and paste. Once you do that, just refresh and you are done. Go back to your dashboard and you will see the report is up. That is all. You can be able to look at the red items and know the ones that are expiring, the ones that are expiring soon, expiring tomorrow, active, expired. This is a quick analytical view of all your IPs. Total IPs 126, expired today 1, expiring tomorrow 2, expired IP 6, expiring soon 2, active IP 15. You can click any of them to view the list. Let's see the list of IPs that are expired. Click on this and you will see a list of 6 IPs, trademarks that are expired and need to be renewed. You can go back and check the one that is expiring tomorrow. Maybe you make decision, click on view and you see 2 trademarks that are expiring tomorrow. You can go back. Once you see the expiring soon, 2 of them, click on view. You can see 2 trademarks that are expiring. Go back. When you check on the active IPs, there are 15 of them, click on it and you see 15 active IPs that still have enough time before they expire, and you go back. That is all you need to do. Now if you want to check further information about these IPs, and if you have the time to check it, just click on check status. The first table here shows you expired items. The second one shows you the one that will expire this week. This one shows you one that will expire next week. Look at the dates from today. The table shows you one that will expire this month or have expired this month. And this table shows you the one that will expire next month. These are just further reports that will enable you make decisions or notify your clients about their trademarks and their status. Now if you want to, you can go to your dashboard. If you want to enter a new IP, you don't have to go and copy from Word again. Just go to enter new IP and just scroll down to where the last one is. Just enter something. Let's call it Dutch Man by this company. The class is 5. You can choose to select from this drop down list you want to. Then let's assume it was application date is 20th of February 2015. Expiring date is 20th of February 2018. That's all you need to do. Then select the application the status, the certificate. Then just refresh. Yes, you're done. Come back and check your dashboard. Find out that you now have 27 IPs. You now have 7 expired IP instead of 6. Scroll down, you see that new added now, Dutchman expired. That is how simple this template can be. Nothing to worry about. Dutchman minus 62 days expired. You want to do a quick search of particular IP, just come here and look for that IP and you will see the number of days expired. That is all about this template. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials, and I hope this template will enable you to track your IPs better and faster. Thank you and have a nice week ahead. I believe this video tutorial has been useful to you. To get hold of the template, you can go to our website on www.TheAccountSolutions.com and then look for the free templates page and download the Excel file. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our website, and be the first to get our videos and our articles on our templates. Thank you. Cheers.